In the beautiful coastal city of Busan, where golden sunlight gently touched the skyline every morning, there lived four sisters whose bond was stronger than anything in the world. They lived together in a modern, elegant home filled with warmth, laughter, and love. Each corner of their house reflected their creativity and dreams, and together, they had built something truly special. On a lively street corner stood their pride and joy, a stylish two-story beauty salon called the Heaven Glow. The golden signboard shimmered under the sunlight, inviting people into a world of beauty and confidence. Inside the salon, the atmosphere was always bright and welcoming. The four sisters worked side by side, smiling as they helped their clients feel beautiful and confident again. The eldest sister was calm and responsible. She managed everything perfectly, making sure every customer felt cared for. Her knowledge of skincare made her the heart of the salon. The second sister was a talented makeup artist. With just a few brushes, she could transform anyone into a glamorous and confident version of themselves. The third sister was a master of hairstyling. With her creativity, scissors, and colors, she could completely change a person's look and personality. And the youngest sister was a digital expert. She captured their magical work on her phone, creating videos and sharing them online. Soon, their salon began to gain attention. One day, excitement filled the salon when a video they posted went viral. Thousands of people liked, shared, and commented on their work. The sisters smiled with joy, knowing their hard work was finally being seen. But their happiness didn't last long. One morning, as they were busy with their work, a wealthy and arrogant businessman named Mr. Khan entered the salon. Dressed in an expensive suit, he looked around with a mocking smile. He laughed and insulted their small business, telling them they could never compete with his luxury salon empire. One of the sisters stepped forward bravely and replied with confidence. She said that real success doesn't come from expensive machines or flashy buildings, but from respect, honesty, and good work. Mr. Khan smirked and announced a free makeover campaign, challenging them. Soon, his plan worked. People rushed to his salon for free services. The Heaven Glow became quiet and empty. The once lively space felt silent, and the sisters sat together, feeling heartbroken. One of them began to lose hope, wondering if they should give up. But the eldest sister gently reminded them that difficult times are a test of strength. They had built everything with honesty, and they would not give up now. The youngest sister then came up with a powerful idea. Instead of competing, they would help people who truly needed them, women who had lost their confidence. They launched a new campaign offering free makeovers for those who had suffered in life. The very next day, a shy girl named Saba walked into the salon. She looked nervous and afraid. Due to an accident, she had scars on her face, and she had lost all confidence in herself. With trembling hands, she shared her story. She had a job interview the next day, but she couldn't even look at herself in the mirror. The sisters listened with kindness. The eldest sister gently held her hand and reassured her that everything would be okay. Then, together, they began her transformation. The makeup artist carefully worked to cover her scars, the hairstylist gave her a fresh and beautiful look, and the youngest sister recorded her journey, filling the room with positivity and encouragement. Finally, it was time. Saba looked into the mirror. For a moment, she couldn't believe her eyes. Tears rolled down her cheeks, not of sadness, but of joy. She looked confident, beautiful, and strong. For the first time in a long time, she smiled. With her permission, the sisters shared her transformation online. The video spread like magic. Millions of people watched it, inspired by her courage and the sisters' kindness. Soon, everything changed. People realized that true beauty comes from care and sincerity, not just appearances. The Heaven Glow was once again filled with life. Long lines of customers formed outside the salon, each one trusting the sisters. Meanwhile, Mr. Khan watched from his window, shocked and silent. He finally understood that no amount of money could compete with honesty, unity, and kindness. Back inside the salon, the four sisters stood together, proud of what they had achieved. They hugged each other as warm golden light filled the room. Because in the end, it wasn't just about beauty. It was about giving people their confidence back. And as long as they stood together, nothing could ever break them.